poor dog Charlie got a stick stuck sideways in his mouth against his teeth. So with help from my wife Kimmy, I removed it. So this here's my dog Charlie, and he's got a stick stuck in the roof of his mouth. I'll show it to you. Come here, buddy. Come here. Stop. Come here. Come here. Stop. Stop. Charlie. All right. Come here. Charlie, stay. Don't you growl at me. You stop. And I mean it. Stop. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Help me open his mouth, Kimmy. Stop. Charlie. Let go of him. Let go of him. Charlie, stop. Put the camera down. Set the camera right there. All right. Now, Charlie, you stop it. Hold on. Hold on.
Come on, Charlie.
I can see.
Come on.
Okay, Charlie. Open that mouth. Open the mouth, Charlie.
Come on. Come on, baby.
Let's open it up for just a minute. Just a minute, Charlie.
There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go.
Good God.
Ta-da!
There it is.
Yay!
Oh, goody.
Now give him his treat.
Goody. Look here, my Charlie. So this is what was in his mouth for days. Stuck in his teeth. I don't know, maybe that felt good to him. Maybe it was helping his dental work or something. I don't know, but he came in and he showed me. He opened his mouth up and he showed me he had something in there. And then he tried to get it out with his hand, indicating that he wanted me to help him. And he was just really scared, but he opened his mouth when he knew he couldn't get away from it. He opened his mouth and I got it out.